the laziest rice cooker hack. Honey garlic ground beef rice. 蜂蜜ニンニク風味のひき肉ご飯。150g of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in water until ready to cook later. One clove of garlic. You can add more if you like. Finely chop. $100g of boiled bamboo shoot or your favorite root vegetables, edamame or corn, roughly chopped. One to 2 teaspoons of garlic paste. 2 teaspoons of honey. 1.5 tablespoons of Japanese soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sake or white wine. Mix well. Medium heat. 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. Heat the pan well. Add the chopped garlic. Lightly stir fry until the garlic becomes fragrant, being careful not to burn it. 140g of ground beef. If you're busy, you can cook it directly in the rice cooker without stir frying. A dash of salt and pepper. A dash of ajinomoto. Cook through. Put the well-drained rinsed rice into the rice cooker pot. 220 ml of water. Add the sauce made earlier. Mix well. Add the stir-fried ground beef. Never mix the ingredient with the rice, but place them on top of the rice to prevent undercooked rice. Spread evenly. Add the chopped bamboo shoot. Spread evenly. Set the pot in the rice cooker. Cook on the same mode as you usually use for white rice. If there is a mixed rice mode, use it. Mix well when cooked. If you want to increase the amount, keep the total amount of ingredients to half the capacity of the pot to prevent undercooked rice. Add salt and pepper to taste and serve. 今日の料理は蜂蜜ニンニク風味のひき肉ご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.